Ready?
Are you taping?
I'm taping.
Okay. Here we go.
Wow. Nice and easy and smooth. That was smooth. See, time your dad comes up, he's almost about 2 strokes, he'd be at the other end. I got that.
Good thing the camera's waterproof.
Stop taping me! Hey, stop that!
Stop what? Hey.
Chicken dude! Mom!
You sure you could dive from
My
there?
brother?
Yeah. What are you talking
my
about?
brother. He's gonna dive.
Is he gonna dive?
Yes.
Is it deep enough there, Sean?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. Yeah.
Because it slants right in there. It's deep enough, Mom. Okay.
Oh, great.
Does he know
Are
that?
you gonna do the backflip? Hey. Okay, here we go. This is gonna be cool.
It's gonna be loud.
There you go.
Dad!
Wow.
He got me! He got me! I'm going down! I'm going down! I'm going down!
Ew, that was